Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. If you are a new viewer in my channel, please do subscribe this channel. I will post more strategies videos coming days. Okay, let's discuss today's topic. Today we are going to discuss Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday trading strategy. For that, first we need to set up the chart. We need to add some indicator. The first one is parabolic SIR. Here I am just going to change the color for more visibility. Okay. This is parabolic SIR. Now we need to add one more indicator, RSI, relative strength index. RSI we need to change the value 45. Okay. Now we set up the RSI and parabolic SIR. Okay. Now the condition for buy and sell I will explain you. This is the buy condition. 3 green candle formation. That time the parabolic SIR should be lower and RSI above 45. In that condition we can take buy. Okay, let's check. Is there any combinations comes? No. Okay, here you can see 3 candles are after parabolic SIR formation. 3 candles are formed in green. Okay, so this is the first indication. And check the parabolic SIR, it's lower, second confirmation. Then the last final confirmation, RSI should be above 45. Okay, see, it's above 45. So such case we can take buy here. In this level we can take buy. This is the buy level. Once it's crossed the high, we can take buy here, and stop loss should be below the parabolic SIR. Okay, and you can trail the stop loss also. You can trail the stop loss whenever market is goes up. You can trail the stop loss just below the parabolic SIR. Okay. Now this is the buy condition. We can go for sell condition. For sell condition, it's just to buy after parabolic upper side formation, 3 continuous red candle. At the same time RSI should be below 45. Let's see, is there any combination is there? Here you can see 3 continuous down is formed, but parabolic SIR is lower. We want upper side. Okay, here we got a chance. See, 3 continuous down the same time. You can see RSI is below 45. Then we can go for sell, but this is a risky sell because the distance is small. Okay, if the 5 minutes candle is small, then the stop loss is less, but this is a risky trade because stop loss is here and our entry is here. If you want, you can take a risk, or else you can wait for the another entry. We will show you. Sometimes we will get the perfect entry. Okay, this is the perfect entry, 1, 2, 3. The same time you can see it's below 45 and we can go for sell here. Okay, and stop loss is, you just trail the stop loss. If you sell it here, stop loss is hit here. Okay, See, here also we got a perfect entry. See here, here also we got a perfect entry. Here, this 3 candle parabolic SIR is upper side and 3 continuous down candle is formed. RSI is below 45. So we can sell here. Once it's closed low, sell here, and you can trail the stop loss. Once market is comes down, you can trail the stop loss just above the parabolic SIR. Okay, so we can get maximum profit. That's the strategy. This is very simple trading strategy. We need to add only 2 indicators, parabolic SIR and RSI. Once the conditions match, you just check with the RSI. If the 3 continuous red candle formation, that time parabolic SIR should be upper side and RSI should be below 45, then go for sell. For the case of buy, 3 continuous green candle formation, the parabolic should be lower side and RSI should be above 45, then we can go for buy. We can check with Bank Nifty also. Okay, Bank Nifty you can see after parabolic lower side formation, 3 continuous green candle, the same time RSI value is above 45. See, RSI value is above 45, so we can take buy here. The stop loss is below here, and you can trail the stop loss when market is goes up. See, you just trail the stop loss when market is goes up, you just stop loss just below the parabolic SIR. This is the buy condition, it's matched the buy condition. For sell condition, here you can see 3 continuous red candles formed, parabolic SIR is upper side and that time RSI is below 45, so we can go for sell here. See, this is the sell level, we can sell here when market is comes down. So like that you can take buy and sell based on this indication, and you can trail the stop loss or fixed points, 10 to 50 points you can fix in Nifty. For Bank Nifty you can fix 30 to 50 points. Okay, so hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com, and if you have any doubt you can WhatsApp me 8848943849, that is my WhatsApp number. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Nilo on your Telegram and you can join that channel. Okay, I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.